Hello viewers across the globe, welcome to InfoDem once again. In this short video, I want to teach you everything that you need to know about eyes. Eyes, unlike other mining app that you can leave, you come back and meet your coin intact. Eyes is not like that. If you leave eyes for 2 days, eyes will leave you for 1 day. That is why you see that a lot of people are complaining that they woke up this morning, they noticed that their mined coin has reduced drastically. Some will not even see anything again because engagement is needed. When it comes to eyes, you have to be there all the time. So now, I want to show you, if you look up here where your mind app is, if you slide it to the right, you can see this is the earning rate. This is the rate at which I'm earning. That is plot 4 eyes per hour. That is my earning rate. If you slide it again, this is mainly where I'm coming. You will see engagement here, that is why I say eyes need engagement. You will see strike here. I have 18 strike here and days off. I have 2 days off here. Now, what this means is that whenever you want to mine, once it's getting to 11 hours to your next mining session, you will notice that this button down here where you are mining, where you click to start mining, will turn to yellow. Once it turns to yellow, it is advisable that you click it, then you click and hold. When you click and hold, it will go back to 24 hours again. If you wait till that thing completes and you don't mine, your coin will be reducing. But if you do it, once it's showing yellow like this, you will have 1 strike. Now, what does it mean? If you have 1 strike up to 6 strike, 6 strike will give you 1 day off. Now, this will say you will not wait until the mining session ends before you renew the mining. If you do it continuously, once you get 6 strike, it will give you 1 day off. Once you get 12 strikes, it will give you 2 days off. Once you get 18 strike, like this one now, by the time I activate this thing again, I will still come by. You will notice that the days off would have changed to 3. What that means is that in case if I am not online, for 2-3 days now, I will keep on mining. There won't be any deduction in my coin. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, I want to mine now. It's already showing yellow here. I click the yellow. As you can see, I have 2 hours 9 minutes left. So what I do now is to click the here and hold. As you can see, it has changed to 1 day again. It has changed to 1 day. Now, another thing is that if you want to invite friend, this is where what you use to invite friend. You see where they write invite friends down here. When you click it, then you can now invite, maybe through WhatsApp, or you copy the link and go and paste it wherever you want to paste it. That is how to invite friends. And also, you join all the social media. Once you join all, it will also boost your mining. It will also boost your mining. Now, this place where you see BNB Smart Chain address, this is where you need to connect your wallet. Now, you will notice that there was a time that it was only OKX wallet that was published here, but there was a problem between ICE and OKX. That is why you notice that the price, after it was first listed on OKX exchange, the price gradually dropped because OKX exchange did not allow external bodies to buy ICE. That is what caused the nosediving of the price. But right now, because of the issue, it is advisable that you change your BNB Smart Chain address to Trust Wallet or MetaMask. You change it to Trust Wallet or MetaMask. So if you want to change it, all you need to do is to click here. You erase all this and you put your Trust Wallet BNB Smart Chain address. How do you do that? You come to your Trust Wallet. As you can see, this is your BNB Smart Chain. This one that has black and yellow, that's the one I'm talking about. This one with black and yellow logo. Then you click it. Once you click it, you copy received. You copy the address. Then you go to your ICE application, mining app. Then you put it here. Once you put it, then you confirm the address. That is all you need to do. You know the distribution have started already. If you locked your 100% for 5 years, you will need to wait for another 5 years before you can get any airdrop. But if you just lock maybe 40%, the remaining 60% will be distributed to wallets bit by bit on monthly basis, and that one will last for a period of 7 months, because ICE will go to open mainnet by October this year, 2024. Now, come to think of it, if ICE was listed 0.06, how much do you think ICE will be listed when it comes to open mainnet? Or what will be the price of ICE when the open mainnet is finally here? So I will encourage you, and if you are not on ICE, I will be sharing the link below, the invitation link. You can join and start mining. If you have any question on how to do KYC and the rest of them, you can let me know through the WhatsApp group that I will be dropping at the description box of this video, so that I can guide you and also carry you along and also share other crypto idea with you. So that is that for now, and I say till I see you in my next video, I want to say be